What's up, guys? So today we're going to be creating a beautiful flyer that I actually got the inspiration from TikTok, and I'll be making the flyer, showing you guys how I do it, and then I'll make it available so you guys can download it for free. Let's get started. You can see the apple, right? There's a darker part of the apple and a lighter part of the apple. Always go for that middle ground color because that's the color that's going to match perfectly with your image. So this is what we're going to do. We can see here it's a little dark. Let's just come closer. We can see this apple here, it has some dark areas here and some more dark areas on the leaf. And then the light areas over here. So right now we don't want to look at those white areas. We want to focus more on these light areas because this is where we can compare the colors from. Then we can see the middle ground is just around here, around these areas. So right in the middle over here. So let's tap on that. And you can see how it actually blends perfectly with the apple. Let's zoom out. You can see it really blends perfectly. But we can still, play around the middle and see which colors actually match perfectly. A gradient color would still be really good. Let's check it out with dark. You can see it doesn't really match with the dark, and with the very, very light color, it doesn't really match. It's just way too bright. So always go for that mid tone. Okay, let's see how that looks. No, I think it looks cool. I feel like it's only the Chinese text that are just messed around with a little bit, but generally I think it actually looks pretty cool. So let's save that. Sorry. So remember that you can always download this um file, link in the description below, and please subscribe. Okay, just like the video and subscribe. Thanks.